Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. Remember? Okay. Now, as I promised you guys, some of you really wanted this. This is a sugar recipe that I have, and it's amazingly good, very effective, 100% result so far. Whoever I gave it to. So I'm gonna make. I had to make a video. That's why I was delaying, and sorry about the delay because that was some of my laziness as well. But it's really a very good thing, and you must try it. If you have sugar problem, you must try it. It also cures a lot of other things. I don't want to even mention it. It's a lot of other things. Beautiful thing. Very very good health benefits. Okay, and the biggest thing is this: if you have a very severe case of sugar diabetes, it will shoot it down big time. Okay, and you really have to monitor not to go below the level. All right, so when you start taking it, monitor your sugar because it will shoot to the downside. All right, so the first thing is this is called and if you go to Indian store, you will see the name, this methi, M as in Mary, ETHI, methi. All right, and let me see if I have the clear word. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you probably can see it. Lakshmi, methi, whatever, whatever. So, but and the other name is this. In Indian store, you might see it methi, but a regular name in English probably. This is fenugreek. Okay, so get that. The best thing is that you may find it in Indian store. Just go over there, you will find it. Methi seeds. They ask them, they'll give it to you. Probably $2.50 a pack, big pack, $2. Okay, so this is the cheapest remedy you can find. And so get this one. And the other thing is this. It's called kalonji, Kalonji, and the scientific name, the English name, or some laboratory name, whatever it is. I don't know how to spell it. Pronounce it. Nigella seeds or something. Nigella seeds. Right? This is how they look like. Okay. So they are black, and they also call black cumin seed, black cumin seed. Okay, you may find it here somewhere. Kalonji belongs to, I don't know. All right, so you get these two. This is also very cheap, $2, $3 a pack, big pack, right? So you get these two things, bring them home, right, and take equal amount. Let's say 3 tablespoons each, right? Mix them together and put it in a coffee grinder kind of thing. I have something like this. Okay, so you just put it in there and grind it until it becomes like a powder. All right, it's very cheap. If you don't have one, this is like a spice grinder, coffee grinder, very common thing. If you don't have one, just buy it. It's very cheap, $15-20, right? And then put them in here, 3 or 4 tablespoons each, equal amount. Grind it, make a powder, put them in a jar or on a bottle or something, and that's it. It's keep it in the kitchen, and every time, let's say if you have very severe sugar problem, or you're taking insulin or something, take 1 tablespoon in the morning with water, and then take 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon. Sorry, okay, not tablespoon. My bad. That's up too big. Okay, your sugar will disappear from your body, and that's another problem. So take 1 teaspoon in the morning before the breakfast, and take another teaspoon before your dinner in the night time. Within a week, you will see a big result. And even forget about the week. On a daily basis, monitor your sugar. It can go down very drastically. You don't want to be have a low sugar as well, right? So, and if you don't have a very bad, maybe a little problem, then take only half a teaspoon. So you know how much you have, right? But like I said, insulin, take 1 teaspoon definitely in the morning, 1 in the night, and then later on, when your sugar starts to come down below 200, then you can cut it down to maybe half a teaspoon, and then that will bring it down to the normal level around 100, 125. Okay. So this is it for now. I mean, this is it's so easy. You're probably gonna laugh like this is the cure for the sugar and nobody knows. Yeah, try it. That's it. I challenge you. Just try and see the result for yourself. All right, and let me know in a week. Just let me know how you feel and how your sugar levels are. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.